Hi folks, this is Alex Kubler from Peking International School of Hair. I will show you how to play your tools today. In our first video we will do some shear handling. I show you, you cook you. When I'm looking at students and the way they cut hair nowadays, I recognize a bad habit. And that bad habit means they take the shear, they put their thumb in, sometimes I think they will put it in up to the elbow, and then the thumb will stay inside the shear for the whole cutting process. Means they cut like that and they also comb like that. All the time with their thumb inside the eye. Bad habit. Within the haircut it's looking like that. It's cutting, thumb stays, it's combing, thumb stays. It's combing, but just think about this. Whenever you move your hand, your shear will move, and it will be a cutting move. And maybe if you got long hair and you don't watch out, it might happen that during your process of combing, it's already layered. It's an effect you maybe don't want to achieve. I want you to know that your shear is a sharp and also pointed tool. And with that sharp and pointed tool, you're playing close to the face of your client. Might be a little danger. And if your client is looking like this, there might be something slightly wrong. So how to do it in a proper way? It's quite easy. During cutting, for sure, your thumb goes inside. You do the cut. But when you go for a recomb, you take your thumb out and take the shear inside your palm so it's safe and close. So cutting means like take the section between your fingers and cut above the fingers. Now only your thumb goes inside. Now you do the cutting. As soon as you finish the cutting process, your thumb goes outside the shear goes back into your palm, and you take the comb and go for the next section. In, cut, out, comb. In, cut, out, comb. Never stay with your thumb inside the eye of the shear. It's more dangerous than the eye of the tiger, maybe. If you want to be really safe and secure, just take your shear, put it back like that, and nothing is going to happen. Why? Whatever you do now, your client will never get the feeling that something sharp will become close to his face. Because see, no matter what I do, my shear always points away from the client. My shear always points away from the face. Another fortune is not only safetiness, but I also have more mobility in my hand. Why do I need mobility in my hand? Just to separate hair, get it off, fix it. I have a much better grip than when there is a shear inside, or even worse, an open shear inside, because I'm a thumb guy maybe. Get your shear back by use your index finger and your middle finger and give the shear a slightly kick and let it fall on your little finger. As soon as the shear is touching your little finger, you just get a hold on it. Again, how to bring it out? Flip it out like that. Flip it back like that. Catch it on your little finger, and the moment it's touching your little finger, get hold of it. Make sure that your shear is not parallel to your arm, because when the shear is parallel to your arm, you may hurt yourself. Make sure it's a little standing out and it's a V angle. Then you're on the right way. Make sure that your shear is on the middle part of your ring finger and not more up and not more down. So this might be the perfect position to get it out and to flip it back. Adding the comb and you're into the game. And it also allows you to work properly with your comb. What is the order of a comb in a haircut? What is his purpose? can do a lot of useful things with a comb. You can scratch your bum if it's itching, or if you're selling treatment products, you can use the comb as a bridge to sell your treatment products to the client. You want to know how? Very easy way. For example, you're about to comb and, it's not working. You just take your comb like this, take your comb like that, and you go, why no treatment at home? Okay, let's get serious again. See, our comb has two sides, a rough side and a fine side, or a wide side and a fine side. And combing, the process is like, first we will take a section, right? And then we will clean this section, we will get it in order, right? For this we will use the wide side, the wide teeth of the comb. So take the section, cleaning the section, wide teeth. But then if we want to have a really clean cut, we take the fine teeth side of the comb. And therefore, we should be able to do a quick change from the wide side to the fine side, from the rough side to the fine side. And that means we can turn the comb inside your hand like that. Hair cutting means rough side, you take a section, you clean the section, you prepare the section, you cut the section. Take the shear back, take the comb out, and while taking the comb out, immediately you go back to the rough side. Again, rough side, taking the section, pre-cleaning a section, fine side, preparing the section, shear, cutting the section. So how is it done to turn the comb? You're taking the comb between your thumb and your index finger, right? Your middle finger now goes behind the comb and it kicks, see? It's a kick from your middle finger. Your middle finger kicks the comb forward, so it's like 1, 2, 3, and you're in this position again. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Why not the other way around? I will tell you. Let's get even a little more professional. The tighter the comb is in your hand, the better is the combing effect. The looser the comb is in your hand, it's not so good at all. So, I'm going to stabilize that comb about 3 points. It's my palm, it's my middle finger, and it's my thumb. And if I press the comb with my thumb and my middle finger against my palm, it's going to be stabilized really tight. Okay? If I turn the comb forwards, I'm immediately in that position. Turn the comb forwards, immediately that position. If I turn the comb the other way around, I have one move more because now I have to bring my hand again in front of the comb. So it will be like if I do it like that, simple like that, I'm always, as soon as I have turned the comb, I will be in a proper position. So now back to the shear. The moment that you turn your shear back into safety position and you have more movement abilities with the 3 fingers here, it's even more easier to work properly with the comb. Okay? Again, parting, cleaning, turning, cutting. Go back, rough side. And like I said before, to be able to turn the comb will also make your hair cutting looking a little more professional. Turn it. You can practice this on the toilet. You can practice this in front of your television, but not during driving, please.